Hi everyone! As we are approaching spring, I'm going to make a great starter or an appetizer for your outdoor parties, which is very quick to make. It can go with your tacos, with nachos, chips, or just eaten as a salad. So let's get started making mango salsa. So let's start by chopping the mango, which is a raw mango, into small fine pieces. This is one of my go-to recipes all summer for all my barbecue party appetizers or to just carry in your picnic basket. The finer you chop the mangoes and the rest of the veggies in balls, the tastier it is. I'm done chopping the mangoes and I have already chopped the rest of the vegetables. So now let's just take a nice big bowl and add in these veggies one by one. Let's start by adding chopped green bell peppers, chopped red pepper. As you can see, they're all very finely chopped. There is finely chopped onion, that's half an onion, and some freshly chopped cilantro. That's a handful of cilantro. You can also add some jalapenos if you like it spicy, or you can use paprika or any kind of spice that you like. But for now, I'm just going to use some Thai salt instead. Time to add in the chopped mangoes. Next, taking half a lemon, and let's squeeze the juice of half a lemon or lime into this. Add in some salt to taste. You don't want too much salt because the chips or nachos that you eat with this will already have a lot of it. And finally, I'm going to add some tahini seasoning just for the extra spice. Feel free to use as per taste. I like it spicy, so I added a little bit more. And finally, just mix them all together. Your salsa is all ready to be served. Hope you enjoy it. Tell me how you like this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Happy spring.